Hey, it's me. So, I'm having a mental health moment. So, a lot of times people ask me, what do I do to alleviate the mental stress? And one of the things that I do is I grab my bag of tricks. It says, my life, not yours. Don't worry about what I do. This is my bag. A wonderful sister that I know makes these, and this was like a safe, the perfect gift that I needed. So, and then it has just a bunch of different tools that you can use when you're stressed. This is my angry ball. It helps to keep me calm. It helps to free that energy out of my system, out of my body, so I'm not holding it in, and I'm better able to handle the things that I'm dealing with in the moments when you're having a mental health. This is for my inner child, when my inner child is cutting up, and then I have like the little pop-ups. This really does nothing for me, but it does for her when she comes to out to play. Another tool that I have is my Biofield 111 Hertz tuning fork. She helps to keep me calm. So cool that every time I do this in front of the camera starts glitching and moving. So you see her moving. So this is another tool. I use her when I'm like more mental and I just need soothing to bring that parasympathetic nervous system down. This is one of my little toys that my daughter gave me from her program. And it's really soft, so I need comfort, you know, I need some softness. I grab on her and do this. Like, it's a lot of different tools. This is my fuck it bucket. It's not a bucket, but it's a pad. And in here, I write all the curse words, get them all out. And this is my pen. I am positive. So it's funny. The irony is that I write a bunch of negative stuff in here, a lot of curse words in there. So therefore, I'm getting them out. This is my horn. Not much of blowing, but again, this is for Little Mer. I have my breathing box. I have a bracelet. Choose you every time. These are these reminders. I also pull on this sometimes. It's really tight and helps with the stress. This is a candle that she had in her bag. I use this and I just smell on it. I'm not going to burn it because it smells so amazing. It's so peaceful in the aroma. So I thought that was a cool little thing that she added in the bag. This is another stress ball that I have. This one is more grainy and gravelly. This is the one I dig my nails into, because this one I don't want to dig my nails into and then break it. But sometimes I need that extra texture. Like, we're all on the spectrum. Let's just admit it. Okay, we all are a little touched. And yeah, this helps. This helps to get that energy out, get that, you know, that texture, the touch, the sight, the hearing, like all of these sensories that are overstimulated in certain moments. You got to find the right tool for it. So as you can see, my bag is packed full of stuff. I have a massage cupping cup. This actually, and I have oil. I actually have my mood lift oil, and I have the digestive blend. Because sometimes, you know, you have to process some things, and the digestive blend helps you process some information, the things that are overwhelming, and then dissecting them. That's a digestive imbalance. And then the mood lift to help to alleviate the mood in the moment. But I use that in my cup, and I'll just, you know, go trace over like my lung meridian or my large intestine meridian, you know, different meridians on my arms and so forth. That's what I use my cup for. This is just an empty pad that I have. What else? I have my stickers. Again, sometimes you need, you know, a message in the moment. Oh, this one helps me. This one I always use a lot because, yeah, helps me to stay present. Then I have my mirror, and also another positive saying that she has in here. Oh, and my pendulum, because, you know, sometimes when the monkey mind gets ahead of me, I need to pull out good old Ossette. This is an Ossette pendulum. So, and you know, yes or no, it in those moments when I got questions, because my mind is going, the monkey is jumping all around, and yeah, I got questions. A few other pens, some bubbles for Little Mers. As you can see, the bubbles there. I got more bubbles in here. But you'll be amazed at the different things. I haven't eaten my candy yet, but I'm holding on to that. But it's just those different things. I'm tapping into the inner child. I'm tapping into the inner adult. This just has bolas in it, and you can like move the bolas around and so forth. But this is my stress toolkit. This is all the stuff that I pull out whenever I'm having a mental health moment, like now. Getting that aggression out. Now you know. So if you are interested in a mental health bag, I will put the link of the person that makes them, and you can take it from there. All right, peace.